How to make your account private on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make our account private on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to make our account private on Instagram, there is one thing that we need to consider, that we have a normal personal account. If you have a professional account, first we're going to convert that to a normal account by tapping on this edit profile option, then just tapping on personal information settings, and then just simply switching to personal account, right? So tap the three lines option there, and then over here go to create tools and controls, go to switch account type, and go to switch to personal account. Now if you already have a personal account, you don't really have to do this step over here, right? So I'll just wait until my account is switched back to a personal account. After I do that, now I can go to account privacy, then I can simply turn on private account. This way I should be able to go ahead and then basically make your account private on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.